Ryan Reimer here with HydroTrue. Want to save costs with your water treatment program without sacrificing quality? It all starts with filtration. Filtration helps your equipment last longer by reducing particulate wear and tear on pumps, seals, and other parts of equipment. Filtration removes that particulate that may be causing you to spend more money on water and energy and maintenance on your equipment. And lastly, particulates and their removal can help save chemistry and the chemical load on your system. Call HydroTrue today. We're willing to work through different situations and desires to give you a better filtration need and get you that ROI on your equipment and your chemicals.